Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making targeted preparations. Check that your SSO client version matches the shader pack, because mismatches break rendering. Once done, download the shader archive and extract it into a specific folder you control. Don't scatter files. Then create a quick backup of the original config and shader cache so you can revert if needed. These steps reduce troubleshooting time and ensure you can test changes safely. Now move to swapping files and enabling shader toggles inside SSO. You now perform the core swap. Replace the default shader binaries or text files with the ones from the pack, preserving file names exactly so the client finds them. Then open the SSO config and set shader enabled to 1 and pick a quality preset. This controls performance versus visuals. After saving, clear the shader cache directory to eliminate stale compiled data. Finally, restart SSO. The client compiles and applies new shaders on launch, so watch console logs for compile errors. You finish by validating the results. Load varied scenes, change resolution, and monitor FPS and visual artifacts to ensure stability. If you see crashes or corrupted visuals, revert to your backup immediately to restore a working state, then compare differences. Make sure to check the client console or log for missing include files or shader syntax errors. That single error often blocks compilation. Once fixed, reapply the corrected shader file, clear cache again, and restart so the stable shaders load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.